Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Slightly different camera angle today, but I'm coming on to share some news that has made me really proud that I've started an embroidery shop. You probably guessed from the title of this video. That's probably why you might have noticed that I haven't uploaded some junk journal videos in a little bit of time. I have got some in the pipeline and I am going to get them started and put up for you guys, because I know I've neglected this channel and my crafty Instagram page. But yes, I've been starting this embroidery venture. It's took many hours to get the machine sorted into that I know what to do, getting patterns, designs, and to be honest it's been quite an investment as well. So I initially bought a second-hand machine on Facebook. The lady that I purchased the machine off, she gave me like a little bit of tutorial on how to use it. It's a sewing and embroidery machine, so it does the two. Yeah, and with the purpose of starting a little bit of a business to begin with, and fingers crossed for me buying a better machine, being able to produce things in a little bit of a quicker time, because basically with embroidery machines they just have one needle like they do with the sewing machines, but you can get multi-needles, so it stitches out a lot faster. Those are more commercial type of materials. But I wanted to very quickly come on and share that news with you, because I am very proud that I've managed to do this and I've got to a point where I do want to start selling the items. So I'm just going to share some of the items that I've made with you, some of those that I have left rather than having sold, because I've sold quite a few already to friends of family and stuff like that. As you do when you start a new business, you test the water, don't you, with people that you do know, which I am very thankful for. Lots of trial and error that way. But I will leave the link to my Etsy store in the description, so you can check it out after you've watched the video, or check it out now if you want to. I will also leave the link to my Instagram page, and I obviously really would appreciate some support there, because it's quite difficult starting out anything from scratch. So any support you guys can offer me would be amazing. Now, the type of things that I'm offering are things that I would like to buy. So I've designed it with what I would like in mind and what I think that you guys might like. I'm hoping in the future that I'll be able to branch out to do personalised things, so maybe like baby items, baby blankets, you know, stuff like that, baby outfits with personalisation, personalised towels, all those type of things. If you have any ideas of what you would want to see, obviously leave me a comment down below, reach out to me on Instagram or via Etsy. I'm more than happy to receive any suggestions. In fact, I would love that, because I have had so many ideas, I've done so much brainstorming, I've got so many lists, it's just unbelievable. So I'll quit jibber jabbing and I'll just show you some of the products that I've made. So I've made a couple of different things. So I've made like some art pieces. So I've made a couple of embroidery hoops that are listed on my store. So it's all done by the machine. I hope that's focusing. And I've made a couple of t-shirts. There's a few more that are listed on my store than what I've got here in stock. So these are like my crafty ones. So I'll just show them to you. So I hope it's not reversing it on the screen. It may very well do. So being creative isn't a hobby, it's a way of life. And I'll just zoom in on that. I might insert some pictures so you can see the pictures a little bit better. Crafting each day keeps the crazy away. I can vouch for that. Again, these are all little slogans that have made me chuckle. Just because it was handmade doesn't mean it was easy. Again, I can relate to that with all these junk journals that are so many hours put into them. And Friday is my second favourite F word. Obviously, my first favourite F word is food. So those are those, and I've also got some little crafty pieces that I wanted to make because I wanted to use them in my junk journals. They're on my phone because I've sold them now and I stupidly didn't put the listing up before I sold them. But let me just show you, I've got some pictures. My phone's not, the camera's not focusing very well. I'm not used to recording on the camera, I usually just do it on my phone. But here's just maybe an unfocused preview. So these are, I think, 3 by 5 inches. and they are just seed packets. Again, I might insert some photos onto the video because they're not very good, and I think it's maybe reversing it on the camera as well. And these are just very, there we go, these are just very small floral images. I don't think they're going to focus at all. I do apologise. I'll insert some pictures over this as well so that you can see. Like I say, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm really proud to be able to announce this, bring this to you, and to be doing this. Obviously it's just a sideline at the moment. I still work full time, so with anything in my Etsy store there's a bit of a processing time so that I can get the items turned around while still doing my day job. Like I say, hopefully in the future, keep your fingers crossed for me and keep me in your thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and do stay tuned for a more junk journal related video if this isn't your type of video. But thank you guys so much for watching to this point. Bye!